and today I'm going to show you how to use the insert tweets function inside the article creator. Under content inserts, you will find the insert tweets section. Just click on that to enable it. You have the option of inserting a range of tweets. By default, it's going to insert between 1 to 2 tweets. You can type in any number here. When you run the article creator, it's actually going to use the current article keyword and search Twitter for tweets related to that keyword. You can override this behavior, and instead you can pull the most recent tweets from any Twitter username. So for this example, I'm actually going to use the official SEO Content Machine Twitter account. I'm going to go back to the main settings and click Run. Once the article creator has finished running, I am going to show you the run log, and if you scroll down, you can verify searching Twitter for username and the number of tweets I've found. Also, if you click on the cache button and click on the keyword that it ran for, it actually saves a list of all the Twitter embeds that it found. So in this instance, it's going to be 30 of them. And it's possible for you to use this for your own content creation later. Now I'm going to click on the blue button to preview it, the articles that were created. So here we go, and you can see there is a Twitter embed here. Now I'm going to click on preview, and here's my embed. Obviously it's not going to be rendered correctly within this preview screen, but if you save this as a HTML file, so when we open the HTML file and scroll down, our Twitter embeds are rendered correctly and centered within our post.